How to add live chat to Webflow. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add live chat to Webflow. How can you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you must note that you have to upgrade your account from the free version to the paid version. This is because the option of adding a live chat to Webflow account is only found or located in the paid version of Webflow. So once you've upgraded your account, select the site that you want to add the live chat to. Once you select it by clicking on Open Designer, you'll be directed to a page, and when it loads, you will take it to your site. Then the next thing for you to do is to go to your web browser, open a new tab, and search for elfsite.com. Once you search for it, you'll be taken to the home page of website elf site. So once you're on the home page, create an account. Once an account has been created, you'll be brought to the catalogs page. On this catalogs page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type out live chat. Okay, yeah, you just click on live and scroll down to see, yeah, line chat. This is it. For for which for website is called line chat. So just click on it. Now, once you've clicked on it, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be asked to choose a template. This template will determine how the um chart will look like. Okay, so just click on continue with this template and then select the kind of bubble you want, the kind of shape you want the live chat to be. It has either as a chat bubble, chat header. Just select it and then click on publish by the top right corner of the screen. Then select the plan you want. Then go back and copy your code. Once your code has been copied, go back to your site. Then once you're on your site, by the left side of the screen, click on the add element icon. Then scroll down, yeah, until you see embed. Now, as you can see, the embed option is not working for me because I'm currently using the free version. All right, so but once you've upgraded, you'll be able to use embed. So just long press on it and drag it and paste it on the page. Once you paste it on the page, a box will be displayed and a space will be made available. Just paste the code that you've copied, and then once you paste the code, automatically the line chart will be added to your Webflow account. Very direct, very simple. So go ahead and add that live chat today. Thanks for watching.